Good morning students. Today is our English class. In today's class we are going to learn a new grammatical item, compound words. First we have to know what is the definition of compound words. Compound words are formed when two or more words are put together to form a new word. Once again I repeat it. Compound words are formed when two or more words are put together to form a new word. For example, for compound words, bed plus room, bedroom. Bed is a one word and room is another word. If you say bed means it gives one meaning. Room is also it gives another meaning. And combine to form a new word and a new meaning, that is bedroom. So this is a compound words. And next example is teacup. Tea plus cup is teacup. Tea is one word and cup is another word. And to combine to form a new word, that is teacup. And in compound words there are three types of compound words. What are the three types of compound words? Closed compound words, open compound words, hyphenated compound words. Closed compound words, open compound words, hyphenated compound words. What is closed compound words? If the closed compound words, they don't have a space between. But in open compound words, they have a space in between. And hyphenated compound words, in between they connected with hyphen. And we see the types of compound words with example. There are three types of compound words. Closed compound words, open compound words, hyphenated compound words. With many examples. See one by one. First is timeline. Time plus line is timeline, but in between they have no space. So this is closed. So this is come under the closed compound words. Sunset, toothache, bookmark, drawback, lookout, rainfall. Here these words are also in between they have no space. So this is come under the closed compound words. Next compound word is open compound words. First example is oven glove. Oven glove. In between they have space. So this is come under the open compound words. Middle class, full moon, steering wheel, real estate, washing machine, water tank. Here also they have space in between. So these are the words in open compound words. At last, hyphenated compound words. For example, passerby, check-in, runner-up, deep fried, up-to-date, part-time, warm-up. Passerby. In between, they connected with hyphen. See all the example. It always connected with hyphen. So, this is come under the hyphenated compound words. Now we see the definition of closed compound words, open compound words and hyphenated compound words with many examples. Closed compound words. What is closed compound words? What is the definition of closed compound words? It is formed when two words are joined together. They don't have a space between them. They don't have a space between them. For example, moon plus light is moonlight. Moon is one word and light is another word. To get a new word, but in between they don't have a space. So this is come under the closed compound words. Next is open compound words. Open compound means it have a space. It have a space between the words, but when read together as a unit, these words have a new meaning. But in closed compound words, they don't have a space. But in open compound words, they have a space. For example, ice plus cream. One unit is ice. If you read one word as a ice, it gives one meaning. And cream is also another unit. It also gives one meaning. So it combines to get a new one, ice cream, and a new meaning and a new word. And in between they have a space. You have a space means it comes under the open compound words. And the third compound word is hyphenated compound words. What is the definition of hyphenated compound words? Hyphenated compound words are connected by a hyphen. For example, runner plus up is runner up. Runner is one word and up is another word, and gives a new word runner up by connecting a hyphen. So this is hyphenated compound words. In today's class we learned what is compound words and what are the types of compound words with example.